Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It says grow your vibe. So I'm gonna grow my vibe, and we're gonna see what we've got here. It should be a set of little tree stuff. Okay, so there's the box. Put that here. Look at this, comes in a nice looking little case here. And let's see, how do we open it? We can slide it open, and we get to plant our bonsai tree kit. So here's our tree kit right there. And it comes with, let's see, just put this down for a second. So we have, I guess these are gonna be different sets of seeds and the little markers for it right there. Let's just say what they are, plant names. So we can track our plant names and everything on there. We have a set of burlap sacks, I guess, to put the dirt and everything in. Or for this part here, it comes with these pucks. So each one gets a puck, and then we have that. We have the plant labels. We have the little tool set here for it. So we have a little shovel, a little spade, a little rake, and we have some little cutting ones here, the little scissors that are Japanese scissors. And okay, so now these seeds, let's open these up and see what we got here. Wow, they packed them good into this Ziploc. I'm not gonna be able to get them back in there again. Okay, so we have that Royal Poinciana, Black Pine. So depending on what you want them to look like, I guess. I don't know, they all look the same. The pictures are all the same. Jaranzina, Crepe Myrtle. Those grow fast. I know we have those here in Texas. Those are all over the place. And a locust tree. So we can plant some trees. We have our little box to put them in. We can put the little bag in the box, and with that, and then we can put the little puck in each bag, and then the seeds into the pucks, and I think that's it here. Let's see, is there any other instructions or anything? Let me see if I'm missing anything here. No, I guess you kind of gotta do it here. Let's see, where's that here? Here was the instructions here. So here's how it goes there. Kind of explains how to do it all. If you need the instructions, you could probably pause it and zoom in at some point. Oh, here's what the plants are gonna look like there. Those are them. So depending on what you want, you can use those different seeds. And so I'm going to go and start preparing my seeds and grow myself a bonsai. Very cool. Or grow four, I guess, simultaneously. Thumbs up, very cool.